If you want to see how I turn this 100% polyester 5 Below blanket into a customized blanket great for a Christmas gift, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation, Cricut, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. We're on our way to 700 subscribers. There will be a giveaway for reaching, I said when I reached 500 subscribers I would do a giveaway. There will be a giveaway during the 10 days of Craftmas here on my channel, so keep your eye out for that and all the rules on how to enter. So let's get into the video. Okay. Okay, so before anything, I'm gonna put it in the heat press and see what pressure I should have it on. So we're gonna do section by section because this is a 50 by 60 blanket, so it is pretty big. I thought about using the easy press for this one, but I think the heat press might just be easier than moving my easy press mat in every single direction. So while the heat press is heating up, I'm just gonna lint roll my fabric. So I want to make sure that the fabric is all going the same direction, which is the flat way. Yeah, remember, removing lint is so important when you do sublimation, because if not, it's going to turn blue, and you don't want it to turn blue. So I'm going to have all my words face the heat press so that I'm not confused as I go through it. Okay, so 400 degrees for 60 seconds. When I open it up, I'm going to try to open it as gently as I can so that we don't cause ghosting. Take my heat gloves, gently lift off paper. Okay, so again, we're gonna make sure that all of it is coming this way. I'm going to pre-press it so that there's less likely a chance of ghosting. So just 10 seconds. Okay. Gonna lint roll it. So I think I'll just do those. Do the last section on this top part, which is a pretty small section. So I'm gonna pre-press it, get any moisture out. Oh, got it wrinkly. Okay, I'm gonna lint roll it. So putting the tape, so I moved it this way. So I'm putting the tape this way so that when I press go to rip off the tape, it's not gonna rip off this. You want to rip it off so you create ghosting. Okay, so now we have this whole top part done. So I think now I'm just gonna start doing it this way. So my words are gonna be horizontal this way. So again, I'm gonna pre-press it, trying to straighten it out a bit. Okay, so now we're done on this side. So now we're gonna move on to the other side. I think I'm gonna do it this way now. Be aware you're gonna go through so many of your lint roller things because there's so much lint. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below in the comments what you thought about the blanket. Do you like how it turned out? I loved how it turned out. When I was first doing it, I wasn't sure about it, but once it was done, I loved how it looked. It's such affordable gift. Like, you can give it to your coworkers. Like, it's such a affordable but yet like sentimental, touchy gift. I really loved it. I hope you guys loved it, and let me know down below if you try it as well and what design you ended up going with and all of that. Let me know what your favorite thing to do sublimation on is, and what your favorite store, affordable store, to get sublimation blanks is. Okay? Okay. Bye. And also let me